channel Gaiden. My partner is Darwin Care in Choco. These are sample website or community. I have 5 links: home, projects, health, garden, and about us, about the site, and our partnership. In project, they have a proposal like a junior basketball league or anything games for helping for the children make happy. In health, just helping for people that like sample just a poor person, just helping each other. Garden like planting trees in mountain, and some have illegal logging and make a beautiful surroundings. And about us, me and Darwin Choco. And if I'm the host, I will edit this all content in the latest update. I will go to the login HTML page. Okay, in this content, this all HTML file, I will edit all the content of my page. And that's all. Thank you.